Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. Now, I know I look real excited about the news that I'm about to drop today, and it's about the Samsung Galaxy Watch. We're not going to call it the Gears 4 no more. From here on out, it's going to be called the Galaxy Watch. Now, this news is coming out of Korea from ZDNet, and they're stating that this watch will get bundled with the Galaxy Note 9, which means that we will be seeing it on August 9th. Not only that, pre-orders are going to be the same date as the Galaxy Note 9 on top of the release date of August 24th. We will be seeing this on August 9th at the Unpacked event. Now that's what I'm excited about, but what I'm more excited about is that they're also saying that this will not run Wear OS. I'm excited about that. Why? Because Tizen OS is 100 times better than that of Wear OS. Wear OS has been slacking for quite some time. I'm super excited about this, and one of the things they're talking about is that it's really going to be geared toward health, and it's supposed to be having some what they call killer apps that's supposed to really knock this out of the park so far as the Galaxy Watch is concerned. So I can't wait. I can't wait. I've already saved the date for August 9th, so make sure you save the date as well. Hit me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this new news that just came about the Galaxy Watch. Do you really believe that it's going to run Tizen Wear OS, or do you still believe that it's going to run Wear OS? All right, you all. That's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And as always, people, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.